All right, guys, we're back. We got another release day rip. This time it is 2020 Donruss Optic football. Just showed up today, ripping it after work. I had quite a few cards. I think we got in early on the pre-order on this one. I think we paid $600 for it, maybe. Blowout was selling it today for about $850, so if you want to get a fairly decent deal, maybe hop on the early pre-orders when they first post it. Doesn't look like a whole lot of stuff is different from last year. It's 200 cards, the base set. There's 100 veterans and 100 rookies. And then there is a pile of different base parallels. The downtown case hit insert is back, so we'll probably end up pulling a gold vinyl one of those because they have a 1 of 1. And then there's a bunch of rated rookie parallels, stuff like that. The box breakdown on this is 1 auto, 14 rookies, 6 rated rookies, 10 parallels, 4 inserts. So it's quite a bit of stuff. Let's get ripping and see what we get. $20 rookies or rated rookies per box on average. So 14 rookies and 6 rated is what the sell sheet says. A little personal hobby shop set up here. Not that anybody really wants to look at Russell Wilson, but maybe you do. 20 packs, 4 cards per pack. So lots of ripping, not a lot of cards per pack. We got Taysom Hill, Dak Prescott, a Jake Fromm, the rookies, and a Tristan Wirfs. Stafford Cooper Cup, Chris Godwin to 35. That is a lime green, super short print, and a Joshua Kelly rated rookie. Not a bad start to 35. Deshaun Watson, Ryan Kerrigan, Stephon Gilmore, Noah Igbinoghene, Dak, Jimmy, Cam Newton, a little silver action, silver Cam, and a Cole McDonald rookie. Daniel Jones, Ezekiel Elliott, oh Jesus, a little bit of color there. Devontae Parker, not the Dolphins player that we wanted, an orange to 199, and a Laviska Shenault Jr. rated rookie. Ugh. Haskins, that card is probably worthless, wouldn't you say? Mike Williams, Devontae Adams, and a Tommy Stevens rookie. for the Saints. Drew Brees replacement right there. Oh, okay. Well, we'll just take another Tommy Stevens. Amari Cooper, Bosa, Josh Allen, and Tommy Stevens number 2. Ooh, we got a little color here. Phillip Rivers, Tyrann Mathieu, Matt Ryan, silver. Eno Benjamin, rookie. More color. Kittle, Darius Leonard, Ayuk, rated rookie, silver. Not bad. Take that every day of the week. This is actually fairly decent. And a Ross Blacklock. Brandon Ayuk, silver rated rookie. Ooh. Will Fuller, Mike Gesicki, a Lamar Jackson. Is that 125? Yep, that is the, what do they call it? Like something circles. Silver circles, or the disco, or the no huddle prism, and a rated rookie, CJ Henderson. Russell Wilson. Ooh, what is this? T.Y. Hilton. Terrell Lewis, rookie, 279. That is a pink velocity. It's a pretty sharp card. And a Denzel Mims, rated rookie. Jared Goff, recently traded to the Lions. Tre'Davious White, KJ Osborne, assuming that is $2.99, that is Aqua, card 1, eBay 1 of 1, Aqua, KJ Osborne, and a Gabriel Davis rated rookie. Kyler Murray, Kirk Cousins, Bobby Wagner, another Noah Igbenogany. Travis Kelce, Mike Gesicki, DeAndre Hopkins, Trayvon Diggs. Still looking for that auto here. Christian Wilkins, Mitch Trubisky, Albert Okwuegbunam, and an Antoine Winfield. Albert, rookie, silver. Le'Veon Bell, Terry McLaurin, Will Fuller /99. That is a red. And obviously, the old Herbert. Good God, he's good. That is a nice hit right there. Hopefully we're not getting stiffed on the auto. I think it's in here. Aaron Donald, Stephon Diggs, T. Higgins, Elite Series rookies. Is that our first insert? A Kinlaw. Ugh. Khalil Mack, Jamison Crowder, Tristan Wirfs, and we have for the Colts, Jonathan Taylor is going to be our auto on card. Rated rookie, 2/150. So that's just your regular hollow. Not bad. There's definitely worse rookies out there that you could get for your auto than Taylor. McCaffrey, Saquon Barkley, Retro Series Hines Ward, and a Damon Arnett. Last pack. DJ Moore, Deshaun Watson, Miles Sanders to 299. I think that was the Aqua, yes? Aqua. And a Darrington Evans. Gotta give it to Panini. They do make some pretty sharp looking products. But the star of the show here is probably this guy. And that is a good looking card right there. Let us know what you think in the comments. Make sure you hit us up on Instagram _BreakKings_. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.